The Natural Plank 3.0 Luxury Vinyl Plank Collection is a varied and beautiful range. Designed to help you showcase your unique personal style, this collection offers true-to-life detail and a wood grain feel. Natural Plank 3.0 provides a softer and warmer feeling underfoot while also being naturally quieter thanks to its vinyl construction. This range also offers a comprehensive list of functional benefits, including the ability to be installed in all rooms of the home, including wet areas such as bathrooms and laundries. Complete with an R10 slip rating and resistant to wear and tear, stains and fading, the collection has a 100% waterproof surface and Class 23 rating. These phthalate-free floors are also low maintenance and come backed by a 25-year residential warranty as well as a 10-year commercial warranty for added peace of mind. Or reach out to your preferred flooring supplier to get them in your space. Visit imaginefloors.com.au to learn more about the Natural Plank 3.0 collection